Very good morning to you all, dear students. So today we will start with the new block, that is block 23, and the topic of our discussion for today is steam locomotive trains to bullet trains. Alright, so our aim for today is students will be able to identify the differences between steam locomotive trains and bullet trains. The sources needed is worksheet S1, exit content book, and your notebook. The keywords that we will use today is steam locomotive, bullet train, supervise. So let us learn first of all the meaning of the keywords. Alright, so first of all, what is steam locomotive? It is a locomotive usually for use on railway that is powered by steam. Alright, it is an engine, okay? And what is bullet train? A high-speed passenger train in Japan, which runs at speeds from 200 to 300 kilometers per hour on the Shinkansen network. What is super fast? Referring to extremely fast. Alright, so the question here is, have you ever been on a train journey? Where did you go? How long did it take you to reach your destination? Alright, some of you, I'm sure you have been on a train journey, okay? And where did you actually go on a train? And how long did it take you to reach your destination? Alright, especially people from Assam or from other northeastern state, if you are from, then I'm sure you have been on a train journey, okay? So where did you go and how long it take you to reach your destination? That is the question, okay, for all of you. Now, today we will learn about two different types of train today. Alright, two different types of train, okay? Today we will learn about two different types of train. Now, I want all of you to open your worksheet to S1, okay? And then you read the section locomotive train to bullet train in the exit content book, and you have to write in your notebook one feature of each train that you read about. Alright, so what you have to do is you have to first look at the picture of the trains in worksheet S1, and then you have to read the section steam locomotive train to bullet train in your exit content book, and then in your notebook you have to write one feature of each train that you read about. So first of all, this is a picture, okay, of two train. Alright, picture of two train. As you can see, steam locomotive, and then another one is bullet train. Alright, so as you can also see from the given picture, alright, the two different picture, the picture of a train, right? Both of them, they are train, okay, but they are of different type. Alright, so which train is older, A or B? Alright, which is older, the train in picture A or picture B? And why do you think so? And what are some important features of a steam locomotive train and a bullet train? In which of these is traveling faster and why? Which would you like to ride on and why? Means which train you want to go for a ride and why so? Is it picture A older than picture B or picture B older than picture A? And which train is faster? Is it A or B? Okay, now listen carefully. Alright, the train in picture B, okay, which is a steam locomotive engine, is older than the bullet train in picture A. So remember, picture A is a bullet train, okay, whereas picture B is a steam locomotive, means steel locomotive train, locomotive train, okay. So B is obviously older than A. So traveling in a bullet train will be faster than the steam locomotive train. So if you talk about the speed of the train, okay, picture A, that is bullet train, is faster than the steam locomotive train of picture B. Alright, so here's the difference, okay. The difference between the two train is that locomotive train, they are not very fast, they run on steam, alright, with the help of steam, okay. Whereas bullet train, they are new, they are very fast, they runs on electricity, that is bullet train. One similarity between both the train is that they carry people and things. So remember, both locomotive and bullet train, they carry people and things, that make them similar, okay. The next question, what is the difference between the steam locomotive train and the bullet train? How is a bullet train more useful today? So as we have discussed and we have learned, what is the difference between the steam locomotive train and the bullet train, and how is bullet train more useful today? Okay, so listen here, okay. See, a steam locomotive train was the first type of train for carrying people and things, okay, because it is old. Now, it moved on steam, that is from burning coal. Alright, so the steam engine was invented by James Watt many years ago, okay. So trains got better with time. As the time passes, the train also got better, okay. And today we have diesel and electrical trains, all right, instead of steam engine, okay. Now the bullet train is the fastest train of all, okay, and it runs on electricity. Now these trains are mostly found in Japan. Now they are useful as they help more people travel across long distance in the least possible time. The reason is because it is very fast, okay. They are called super fast trains because of their high speed. Alright? So bullet train, they are called as super fast train, okay, because they are very speed, because of their very high speed. The last question for today. What problems would the super fast train of today have which earlier train may not have had? So see, even though the super fast train, they have lots of advantage because they can travel a longer distance at the least possible time, right? At the short possible time, okay. But what are one problems that the super fast train of today they have as compared to uh, the older train, all right, which may not have such problems? Okay, so listen, okay. See, due to the very high speed, talking about the bullet train, okay, super fast train, the disadvantage or the problem they face is due to very high speed, these super fast train are likely to have more accidents than the earlier train, means as compared to steam locomotive train or the older train, okay, because it is very fast. So because of that, it has likely to have more accident, all right, than the earlier train, okay. So that is the problems which the super fast train might have, and then uh, the old train may not have. Now things to do, you have to do your worksheet S1 question 1, 2 and 3, and then you have to complete your practice question number 2. What are bullet trains? All right, so those are the two things that you have to do for today. Okay, all the best, take care and have a good day.